Good morning, children. Time is too short, so I am going straight to the chapters. Okay. Exercise 3C. Anjana madam has already done some of the sums from exercise 3C. Today I will do sum number 7. Sum number 7 you have done. Sum number 8, 9 and 10. Let us do sum number 8. Exercise 3C, sum number 8. What is the 532 second part of 1004416? So, what is the second part of this? So, we will write like this. Second part of 1004416 is 1004466 divided by 532. So let us do the division here. One 1004466. Now, my dear children, when you will do in your exercise copy, write these digits separately, okay? Keep a space between each digits so that while dividing your sum should not be wrong. $532. So, how many digits we have to take? 3 digits we can't take because 100 is less than 532. So, we have to take 4 digits. First, we have to take 4 digits. So, 532 ones are 532. So, if we subtract it, what we will get? 2472. Now, what will come down? 4. Now, we have to divide 4724 by 532. So, we will get, let us divide with 8. Listen, when you will do, you have to multiply it separately. In your rough place, you will multiply it with 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24, 125. 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42. So, what you are getting? 4256. 4256. So, after subtraction, you are getting 468. Now, what will come? 6 will come down. Again, we will multiply it with 8. 4256. Let us subtract it. 0, 4. Eight, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 8, 6. So next, what will come down? 6. So now we have to divide it with, again we will divide it. Four, 7, 2, 4. 4, 2, 5, 6, 8. 12, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 6, 8, 6. 4, 4 is coming from 7, 5, 6, 6, 7. 4, 7, 2, 4. 4, 2, 8 2 is 16, 5, 3, 2. What the number is? Let me see once again. 1004416. My dear children, I have done little bit wrong here. The number will be 16. Okay. So, very sorry. What will come down? 1. So, the next number is 1. If we deduct 6 from 11, what we will get? 5, 2, 4. Now again 6 will come down. So 8 is 4, 2, 5, 6. Here we will write the answer. I don't get space here. So I am writing the answer on the top. I don't have space at the bottom. So second part is, I am writing the answer here only. Second part is 1888. Let us go to the next sum. Sum number sum number 10. How many minutes will a wheel be turning round 895,702 times 5702 times if it turns 158 times in a minute? How many hours and minutes will it be? So, how many minutes will a wheel be turning round? At the times 8,95,702 times if it turns 158 times in a minute. So, let us write the statement. 158 times it turns in 1 minute. Therefore, eight, 9, 5, 702 times it turns in 895 702 divided by 158. So let us do the division. 895,702 divided by 158. So first we will take 3 digits because 895 is bigger than 158. So how many times it will go? Let us see how many times it will go. It will go for 5 times. 5 8s are, you will do the working separately, okay? In a separate rough place, you will multiply 158 into 5. 8 5s are 40. 5 5s are 25 plus 4 29. 5 1s are 5 6 7 790. So 158 5s are 790. 501. Now 7 will come down. Now the next one, what we will take, which number? Let us take 6. 158 6 are 8 6 are 48. 6 5 are 30 plus 4 34. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. 948. So 6 are 948. Let us subtract it. One zero nine zero. In that case also we will take 6, isn't it? 948. So what will come down? 2 4 1 1 4 2. Now 2 will come down. Now let us see. We will multiply 158 with 9. 8 9s are 72. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 7 50. 52. 9 1s are 9 plus 5 14. 1422. So 9s are 1422. Now I am rubbing the rough work. You don't rub, okay? Keep it aside. Draw a margin and do the rough in the rough place. So what answer will come? 5 6 6 9 minutes. So how many? What is the question? In a minute, how many hours and minutes will it be? So we have to convert it in hours also. Here we get the answer in minutes, so we have to convert it in hour. So what we will write? "60 minutes equals to 1 hour. Therefore, 1 minute equals to 1 by 60 hour. Therefore, 5 6 6 9 minutes equals to 5 6 6 9 divided by 60 hour. Now we will divide it at the bottom. 5 6 6 9. So how many digits we will take? We will take 3 digits because 56 is less than 60, so we have to take 3 digits. 6 9s are 54. So let us take 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 6 are 54. 6 4 5 6. Now 9 will come down. 6 4s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 4 zeros are 0, 6 4s are 24. So answer in minutes it took 599, sorry, 5669. 5669 minutes, and in hours it took 94 hours 29 minutes. Now my dear children, write the answers separately. Okay, don't forget to write the answer statement. Write it separately, and here you will draw a margin and do the rough work here, and don't rub it. At the side of your exercise copy, at the right hand side of your exercise copy, you will draw a margin, and there you will do all the rough work. Now we will switch over to the next exercise. That is exercise 3D. When you are doing big division, multiplication in problem sums, don't forget to do the rough work, and for that you will draw a separate margin and do the rough work there. On the top you will write rough, and there you will do all the rough work, and don't rub it after doing that. Now exercise 3D. Sum number 1. Estimate the sum and the differences. 1, 4, 8, 9, 3, 5. We have to round it off. Plus 6, 9, 5, 1, 2, 1. So here we will round off ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs to the nearest lakhs. So what it will come? It will come 1 lakh. If we round it off, what it will come? 1 lakh. And here 7 lakh. So the answer will be 8 lakh. Here we will write answer, estimated sum 8 lakh. Estimated sum 8 lakh. Now another sum we will do, that is estimated difference. Now let us do it here. Sum number 3. 5, 7, 0, 0, 5, 1. Here also ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. We have to round off to the nearest lakhs. So here is 7. So it will be 6 lakhs. 6 lakh. Now the next number is 2, 4, 7, 8, 4, 5. To the nearest lakhs, that will be, we will place a sign over here This is from 1 to 4. So we have to round it off to 2 lakhs. That is 4 lakh. So the answer is estimated difference. Difference 4 lakhs. Now we will go to the next exercise. 3D. We will switch off to the next exercise, that is 3E. Exercise 3E. I will do one sum for you. Choose the best estimate from the given possible answers. So let us do 1B. So let us do 1B. That is 7 into 312 equals to, which answer will be correct? 7 will remain as it is. 312 is rounded to nearest 100. Nearest 100, that is 300. And 7, there are no other digits. 7 is a single one, ones place. So we will write 7 as it is. Okay. So into 7. So what will be the answer? 7 3s are 21 and 2 zeros. So the correct answer will be 2100. Like this we will do. So let me do another one for you. Number D. 731 is rounded to nearest 100. 731 is rounded to nearest 100, that is 700. Oh. And 47 is rounded to nearest tens, that is 50. 10 5s are 35. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So the correct answer will be 35,000. The correct answer will be 35,000. You have to choose the correct answer. 3 options are there. From there you have to choose the correct answer. Estimate the product and verify by actual calculation. Let us do one. The next one, sum number 2. Number 2, let us do some number F. 2F. 602 is rounded off to 600. Hundreds, we will place a dash here. And 145 is rounded off to 100. Now let us multiply it. 6 ones are 6, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the estimated product. So in the answer, what we will write? Estimated product. In the answer, we will write estimated product. Now, sum number 3. The headline reads, "A million voted today." Actually, 90,018 people voted each hour for 12 hours. Did the newspaper give a sensible account of the number of voters cast in the election? What it's telling, that in 1 hour 90,018 voters voted. Okay. So in 12 hours the newspapers are telling that a million voted. So we have to estimate it, whether the answer is right or wrong. Yes, the answer is correct. First we will do the sum. So 90,018 is rounded off to 90,000. Is rounded off to 90,000, and therefore in 1 hour voters voted 90,000. Therefore, in 12 hours, voters voted 90,000 into 12. So, what will be the answer? 12 nines are 108. And how many zeros after that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be yes. The newspaper gave a correct estimate. That's all for today. So, thank you children. Stay at home, stay safe, stay protected.